Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to do a quick little video for you today. As you can see, I spent some promotion credits on upgrading my Cyclops. He really needed this. I was saving these promotion credits. I had enough to promote someone from 4 red star to 5 red star. Unfortunately, I didn't find the character that I wanted. It was Phoenix was on the list, but instead I upgraded, as you saw, Cyclops. I upgraded Ghost Rider from 3 to 4 red star, and I also upgraded Invisible Woman. Now she's dropped off a little bit, but I think she's still viable. I still use her in arena. Yeah, Hela, Phoenix, they were all viable, but one thing that I did that I was a bit reminiscent that I didn't video it was when the Symbiode Spiderman Milestone started. I upgraded Hela from 6 to 7 yellow stars, and I also did the same for Sif, wherever Sif is there. So what I wanted to show you today was, as you can see, I've got 11.6 million, but I've also hoarded 33 Gold Orbs. So I'm just going to open these and see what we get. So that was just greens. Again, just greens. Blue in the middle, it's 20k better. Green. 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 Okay, purple's not too bad. Okay, all purples, that's much better. We're back to the greens. Right, let's just keep going. Greens, greens, greens. I'd like to see 1 million at least. Alright, if I don't see... Okay, so far... Oh, what do I want to do? So far we've got 3.3 million out of 18 orbs. So that's not the best. So what I'm going to do actually is a little bit of the seed theory thing. So let's go to Ghost Rider and put 400,000 into him. Right, and then let's open these. 2. Okay. Oh, I thought I needed crystal. 4. Ghost Rider, not bad. 5, 6. This is all gonna really go to Ultimus, but I don't mind because we have the new store coming. So I've got a lot saved up for that. So I'm intrigued to see what we get there. Okay, didn't need any of that besides Ghost Rider, but I'd rather open these and have them as bad orbs than the Gold Orbs. So we'll go back, spend another 400,000. Actually wait, yeah, let's do it on crystal. I need to get these guys up. So now, what do we have to open? We have the Gold Orbs. No, I'm actually gonna... Oh, I don't have that many blue orbs, but people said you can open these. I think it was Remenex telling OMG that you can use these. Right. Okay, I'm gonna open one more. Don't know if that's one. center. Okay, I think it might be. All these pieces are less than 1%. Yep, all in pieces are less than 1%. It was 0.9 I saw at the end there. So let's go into the gold and keep opening, and hopefully we get some better pulls now. Okay, we are constantly getting blues. No, we're back down to greens. Right, no millions yet. This is painful. And that was the minimum. That's the minimum again. I'm just going to open the rest of them. Can't be bothered. So 33 orbs, that's 2.6, and we had 3.3 before. So that's 6 million from 33 orbs, which isn't the best. But hey ho, what can you do? I need it for Symbiode Spiderman, so we're going to open these. I actually would have preferred some orange material. Yeah, that's not too bad. Don't like that. That's okay, I need that. So I haven't been going really hard on Blitz. I might as well open these actually. I haven't been going really hard on Blitz, I've been really busy. So I don't think I am actually going to complete the milestones. That's fantastic. I need that for Ghost Rider. And I need that as well, so that's good. Yeah, I've been a little bit too busy. So what did we get? 150, not bad, I'll take that. Mini uniques, and we're almost at the 200 and some more tier 5 credits. So I'm going to keep going as hard as I can. Now that it's not a blitz we don't need, it's actually what's his name, Graviton's blitz. I might try and go a little bit harder for that, but as you can see I'm not too far away. 2.5 days left. We'll see what we can do. And then I've spent 1 million pretty much, so I have another 800,000 to spend. Let's see. I want to get Toad, Blob, Karnak and Crystal up to about 60k. Let's see how much. Yeah, I'll put that into you. And then we can upgrade her abilities. So now she's quite, I need to upgrade her gear as well, but now she's a lot more usable. And where are we at? Okay, we've got a nice little cushion. Yeah, I do like to leave just a little bit of space in case some of the things that I need come in the store, like mini uniques or something. I like to leave a couple 100k. So yeah, that's where I am currently with the milestones, and my plan for the Symbiode Spider-Man, as you can see, 16 million. I was hoping for a bit more, but I'm going to be using that to try and get him up as high as I can, because we can get 190 something. Yeah, 190 something shards. I need 128. So I think I have a good chance of getting him to 6-star. And I've also saved the promotion credits, there. I saw him in the store the other day, but unfortunately I didn't buy him because I didn't know when it was coming back. But now that it is back, as soon as I see him in the store, I'm going to promote him to 6 red star. Right, well, thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to start saying, please like and subscribe. Just, we have people watching and people aren't subscribed, and the more my channel grows, the more people see. So let me know what content you want to see, and if you're enjoying it, if you think I should go in this direction, or if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. Right, thank you very much. Hope you're all staying safe. Peace out.